Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and today we are discussing a condition that affects millions of people worldwide, vitiligo. If you or someone you know has white patches on the skin and wonders why they appear, the video is for you. So vitiligo is not just a cosmetic issue, it's a medical condition that can deeply impact a person's confidence and well-being. In this video, I'll explain the 7 main causes of vitiligo from both modern science and Ayurveda's perspective. Stay with me till the end for practical tips and to manage this condition naturally. Now let us get started with number 1, autoimmune disorder. One of the most common causes of vitiligo is an overactive immune system. In simple terms, your body's defense system mistakenly attacking its own melanocytes, the cell responsible for skin color, and this leads to the formation of white patches. Ayurveda sees this as an imbalance in ojas, our body's vital energy. To restore balance, it is crucial to focus on immune modulating herbs like ashwagandha and guduchi. Number 2, genetic factors. Does vitiligo run in families? Research shows that about 30% of the cases have a genetic link. If someone in your family has it, you have a higher chances of developing it. However, genetics alone does not cause vitiligo. Lifestyle and the environment plays a major role too. Ayurveda teaches us that inherited condition can often be managed through detoxification and personalized diet. Number 3, environmental triggers. Certain external factors can trigger or worsen vitiligo. Excessive exposure to UV rays, extreme stress, or even skin trauma can lead to the condition spreading. Ayurveda emphasizes cooling herbs like aloe vera and neem to protect the skin and maintain the balance. Do you recall any specific event that triggered your vitiligo? Let me know in the comments. Number 4, hormonal imbalances. Changes in thyroid function or other hormonal shifts can contribute to vitiligo. Many patients with this condition also have thyroid disorders, and Ayurveda focuses on balancing hormones through dietary regulation, shatavari, and meditation practices to maintain equilibrium within the body. Number 5 is oxidative stress. Did you know that an imbalance of free radicals in your body can damage your melanocytes? This is called oxidative stress. Ayurveda suggests consuming antioxidant-rich foods like turmeric, green leafy vegetable to neutralize these harmful molecules and support your skin health. Number 6 is vitamin and mineral deficiencies. Deficiencies in vitamin B12, folate, zinc and copper have been linked to vitiligo. Ayurveda believes that a lack of vital nutrients weakens digestion, leading to toxin accumulation. To replenish your body, focus on a wholesome plant-based diet and consider Ayurvedic supplements like Triphala and Brahmi and Siya's, Ayurveda's Vitivital. Number 7 is chemical and toxin exposure. Frequent contact with harsh chemicals in cosmetic, synthetic fabrics and industrial pollutants can contribute to depigmentation. I advise using natural skincare products like Ayurveda's Viti Calm, wearing organic cotton clothes and practicing regular detox therapies like self-massage with herbal oils like coconut oil, almond oil, etc. to eliminate toxins. As you can see, vitiligo is a multifaceted condition with several underlying causes. The good news is that Ayurveda offers a holistic approach to managing and even preventing its spread. By focusing on internal balance, mindful nutrition and stress management, you can take care of your skin health. So that is all for today's video. I'll see you in the next video, and if you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone you need it. Also comment below with your questions. I personally go through them to help you better. And if you and someone you know are suffering from vitiligo, then you can contact at the number mentioned in the video and we will guide you to get better and healthy skin. Until next time, take care, stay healthy and embrace your natural beauty.